Import your footage into Capcut. Go to the end, freeze the last part and duplicate it. Make it an overlay and place it under the first freeze part. Extend the timeline, delete the last part, and adjust the overlay to fit. Next, remove the background of the overlay. Add stroke to the cutout and select straight cutout. Increase the size to 8. Adjust the overlay, set saturation to -50. Sharpen to 25. Go to video effects. Select retro cartoon. Place the object on the overlay. Adjust the video effects filter to 35. Now overlay this crown sticker. And place it at the top. Adjust the filter to match the first overlay. Copy the retro cartoon video effect and place the object on the crown sticker. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching.